हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम टू द लाइव सेशन। तो आज हम देखेंगे एनसीईआरटी के एनवायरनमेंट का टेस्ट सीरीज़, जिसमें आज हम देखेंगे सेट 3। तो शुरू करते हैं हमारा आज का टेस्ट सीरीज़। और आप भी मेरे साथ अटेंड कीजिए, और अगर आपका आंसर आता है तो मुझे चैट में बताइए। तो शुरू करते हैं। फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन है, साउंड above what level is considered to be hazardous noise pollution? Above 150 decibel, above 120 decibel, above 80 decibel, below 30 decibel। तो इसका आंसर है ऑप्शन सी, above 80 decibel। कैनिबलिज्म cannibalism is found in ants, snakes, scorpions, all of this। तो इसका आंसर है डी, ऑल ऑफ दिस, मतलब ants, snakes, scorpion। Which one of the following statements about natural gas are true? Natural gas is the cleanest fossil fuel. Saudi Arabia has the highest natural gas reserves. Methane is the major component of natural gas. The natural gas is the product of tiny plants and animals of past ages. Select the correct answer using the codes given below. तो इसका आंसर है डी, 1, 3 and 4। Natural gas is the cleanest fossil fuel. Methane is the major component of natural gas. The natural gas is the product of tiny plants and animals of past ages. Melanin protects us from X-rays, UV rays, IR rays, C rays। तो इसका आंसर है बी, UV rays। The study of population is called cytology, dermatology, gerontology, taxonomy। तो इसका आंसर है सी, gerontology। The most important source of soil pollution of soil is plastics, detergents, iron junks, glass junks। इसका आंसर है ए, plastics। The major pollution to deplete ozone are chlorofluorocarbons, nitrogen oxides, hydrocarbons, all above। तो इसका आंसर है D. All above, मतलब chlorofluorocarbons, nitrogen oxides, hydrocarbons. The niche of a population is the place where it lives, geographical area that it covers, set of conditions that it interacts, set of conditions and resources it uses. तो इसका आंसर है D. Set of conditions and resources it uses. Supersonic jets cause thinning of O2 layer, SO2 layer, O3 layer, none of the above. तो इसका आंसर है A. O3 layer. Green muffler is used against which of the following type of pollution? Air, water, soil, noise. तो इसका आंसर है D. Noise. The pollutants released by jet planes are fogs, smoke, colloids, aerosols. तो इसका आंसर है D. Aerosols. An aquatic plant An aquatic plant introduced from America to check pollution turned out to be a troublesome weed in Indian water bodies. The name of this invasive alien species is Opuntia aglops Ischonia pistia. तो इसका आंसर है Ischonia. In the coming years, skin-related disorders will be more common due to pollutants in air, use of detergents, water pollution, depletion of ozone layer. तो इसका आंसर है ऑप्शन डी, डिप्लेशन ऑफ ओजोन लेयर. Photochemical smog formed in congested metropolitan cities mainly consists of hydrocarbons, ozone and SO2. Hydrocarbons Hydrocarbons SO2 and CO2, smoke, peroxyacetyl nitrate and SO2, ozone, peroxyacetyl nitrate and NOx. तो इसका आंसर है डी, ozone, peroxyacetyl nitrate and NOx. In India, tropical rainforests occur in Jammu Kashmir, Andaman, Uttar Pradesh, Himachal Pradesh. तो इसका आंसर है बी, अंडमान. A lake with an inflow of domestic sewage rich in organic waste may result in death of fish due to lack of oxygen, death of the lake very soon due to algal bloom, increased production of fish due to lot of nutrients, increased population of aquatic food web organisms. तो इसका आंसर है A, death of fish due to lack of oxygen. A substance which may alter environmental constituents or cause a pollution is called pollutant, disorder, harmful, decomposal. तो इसका आंसर है A, pollutant. With reference to biological oxygen demand and chemical oxygen demand, consider the following statements. BOD is the measurement of consumed oxygen by aquatic microorganisms to decompose organic matter. COD refers to the requirement of dissolved oxygen for the oxidation of organic constituents. Which of the statements given above is or are true are correct? तो इसका आंसर है A, one only. BOD is a measurement of consumed oxygen by aquatic microorganisms to decompose organic matter. The example of a chemical pollutant is NO2CO DDT phenol. तो इसका आंसर है D, phenol. Which of the following is the main cause of desertification? Tourism, irrigated agriculture, overgrazing, developmental activities. तो इसका आंसर है ऑप्शन सी, overgrazing. Groundwater as a water source may be better than surface water because groundwater may be naturally purified by percolation through soil. Groundwater is a self-replenishing source that cannot be exhausted. Surface water is not naturally self-replenishing. Groundwater is more easily located than surface water. तो इसका आंसर है B. Groundwater is a self-replenishing resource that cannot be exhausted. Which of the following organisms is used as an indicator of water quality? Biota, cholera, Azoospermillum, Escherichia. तो इसका आंसर है D, Escherichia. Which of the following prevents afforestation in deserts? Low rainfall, grazing animals, planting trees, unfertility of soil. तो इसका आंसर है ऑप्शन सी, planting trees. According to Red List in India, how many plant species are critically endangered? 44, 50, 60, 80. तो इसका आंसर है ऑप्शन सी, 60. Water pollution decreases turbidity, increases oxygenation, increases photosynthesis, increases turbidity and deoxygenation. तो इसका आंसर है ऑप्शन डी, increases turbidity and deoxygenation. Man and Biosphere program was launched by WPSI, IUCNR, UNESCO, WHO. तो इसका आंसर है सी, यूनेस्को. Hotspots of biodiversity means spots of maximum poaching on Earth, richest and most threatened reservoir of plant and animal life on Earth, spots of maximum exotic species, all of these. तो इसका आंसर है ऑप्शन बी, richest and most threatened reservoir of plant and animal life on Earth. The excessive discharge of fertilizers into water bodies result in eutrophication, slit formation, growth of fish, death of hydrophytes. तो इसका आंसर है ऑप्शन ए, eutrophication. In summer, in lakes and the surface water with high temperature separated from the cold cotton layer by mid-water is called alpinism, thermocline, thermal stratification, मेटालिमनॉन। तो इसका आंसर है सी, थर्मल स्ट्रेटिफिकेशन। Which one of the following pair is mismatched? Solar energy, greenhouse effect, biomass burning, release of CO2, fossil fuel burning, release of CO2, nuclear power, radioactive waste। तो इसमें हमें मिक्स मैच वाला पेयर ढूंढना है। तो इसका आंसर होगा ऑप्शन ए, सोलर एनर्जी, जिसका है ग्रीन हाउस इफेक्ट नहीं है। Which of the following plays a direct role in maintaining the nutrient balance in a biogeochemical cycle? Producers, herbivores, decomposers, consumers। तो इसका आंसर होगा सी, decomposers। Earthworms help in improving the soil health by stimulating microbial activity, mixing up the soil, decreasing infiltration। Select the correct answer using the codes given below। तो इसका आंसर है ऑप्शन ए, 1 and 2 only, stimulating microbial activity and mixing up the soil। Soil acidification can occur due to heavy rainfall, application of fertilizer, shifting cultivation। Select the correct answer using the codes given below। तो इसका आंसर है ए, heavy rainfall and application of fertilizer। Trophic levels are formed by only plants, only animals, only carnivores, organisms linked in food chain। तो इसका आंसर है ऑप्शन डी, organisms linked in food chain। Planting of trees on public land is known as social forestry, farm forestry, agroforestry, reforestation। तो इसका आंसर है ए, social forestry। Biosphere includes lithosphere and ionosphere, atmosphere and ionosphere, atmosphere and hydrosphere, atmosphere, lithosphere and hydrosphere। तो इसका आंसर है ऑप्शन डी, एटमॉस्फेयर, लिथोस्फेयर एंड हाइड्रोस्फेयर। The growing human population is best addressed by the conversion of ecosystems to more direct human uses, requires the management of ecosystems to better serve the needs of humans, will increase the need for ecosystem services, will require an increase in forest and a decrease in agricultural land। तो इसका आंसर है will increase the need for ecosystem services। Halobacks grow on physiologically dry soil due to the presence of dry soil, excessive salt in plants, excessive salt in water, excessive humidity outside। तो इसका आंसर है ऑप्शन सी, excessive salt in water। The sphere of living matter together with water, air and soil on Earth's surface is called atmosphere, hydrosphere, lithosphere, biosphere। तो इसका आंसर है ऑप्शन डी, बायोस्फीयर। Which are the primary constituents of photochemical smog? Hydrocarbons and CFCs, carbon dioxide and NO2, NO2O3 and hydrocarbon, SO2 and CO। तो इसका आंसर है ऑप्शन सी, NO2O3 and hydrocarbons। If the plant producer dies in the ecosystem, then the system is seriously affected, is hardly affected, can produce more food, cannot produce food। तो इसका आंसर है ऑप्शन डी, cannot produce food। The two vegetations of an ecosystem are separated by एक्सेस इकोक्लाइन इकोटोन इकोसिस्टम। तो इसका आंसर है बी इकोलाइन। Carbon dioxide is called greenhouse gas because it is used in greenhouse to increase plant growth, transparent to heat but traps sunlight, transparent to sunlight but traps heat, transparent to both sunlight and heat। तो इसका आंसर है ऑप्शन सी, ट्रांसपेरेंट टू सनलाइट बट ट्रैप्स हीट। In a food web, each successive trophic label has increased total energy, less total energy content, more total energy content, non-estimated energy content। तो इसका आंसर है ऑप्शन बी, लेस टोटल एनर्जी कंटेंट। Benthic animals are those which are submerged in sea, float on the sea surface, are deep dweller in sea, are floating or free organisms। तो इसका आंसर है ऑप्शन सी, a deep dweller in sea। In context of ecology, the term carrying capacity of a species means the highest amount of stress it can withstand, resources that it consumes, its population size that the environment can sustain indefinitely, none। तो इसका आंसर है ऑप्शन सी, its population size that the environment can sustain indefinitely। The flow of energy in the biosphere is linear, diffuse, unidirectional, multidirectional। तो इसका आंसर है सी, यूनिडायरेक्शनल। Which one of the following pair is mismatched? Savanna acacia, prairie epiphytes, tundra permafrost, coniferous forest, evergreen trees। तो इसमें से हमें मिसमैच्ड पेयर ढूंढना है। तो इसका आंसर होगा बी, prairie epiphytes। The term succession was coined by Hult Odom King House। तो इसका आंसर है ए, हल्ट। Which one of the following is a correct food chain? Grasshopper, grass, snake, frog, eagle. Grass, grasshopper, frog, snake, eagle. Eagle, snake, grasshopper, grass, frog. Frog, snake, eagle, grasshopper, grass। तो इसका आंसर है बी, पहले आएगा ग्रास, उसके बाद ग्रासहॉपर, उसके बाद फ्रॉग, उसके बाद स्नेक और लास्ट में आएगा ईगल। Which of the following has the highest value in a grassland ecosystem? Tertiary production, net production, gross production, secondary production। तो इसका आंसर है सी, ग्रॉस प्रोडक्शन। Wildlife Protection Act 1972 includes which of the following objectives? Restriction and prohibition on hunting of animals, setting up and managing sanctuaries and national parks, protection of specified plants, all the above। तो इसका आंसर है डी, all the above। Restriction and prohibition on hunting of animals, setting up and managing sanctuaries and national parks, protection of specified plants। Consider the following statements. As a greenhouse gas, methane is even more harmful than carbon dioxide. Methane has been included in the list of 6 GHGs in Kyoto Protocol. Which of the statements given above is or are correct? तो इसका आंसर है सी, both 1 and 2। As a greenhouse gas, methane is even more harmful than carbon dioxide, and methane has been included in the list of 6 GHGs in Kyoto Protocol। Who among the following can alter the boundaries of a national park? Parliament, state legislature, Ministry of Environment and Forest. Select the correct answer using the codes given below. तो इसका आंसर है सी टू ओनली, स्टेट लेजिस्लेचर. Biological equilibrium is found among producers and decomposer, producer and consumers, producer, consumers and decomposers. तो इसका आंसर है सी, producer and consumers. Predation and parasitism are which of the following types of interaction? Plus plus, plus zero, minus minus, plus minus. तो इसका आंसर है डी, प्लस माइनस. The brown haze dome formed in cities is because of which gas? Sulfur dioxide, nitrogen oxide, carbon dioxide, volatile organic compounds. तो इसका आंसर है बी, नाइट्रोजन ऑक्साइड. The sequence of succession is lichen, moss, grass, shrub, tree, tree, shrub, lichen, moss, grass, moss, shrub, tree, lichen, grass, lichens, tree, moss, grass, shrub. तो इसका आंसर है ऑप्शन ए. पहले आएगा लाइकेन, फिर आएगा मॉस, फिर आएगा ग्रास, फिर आएगा श्रब और लास्ट में आएगा ट्री. Which of the following supports a good population of plankton and littoral vegetation? Oligotrophic, eutrophic, lithotrophic, agricotropic. तो इसका आंसर है ऑप्शन बी, यूट्रॉपिक. Which best describes a desert biome? No rain, pure sand for soil, very hot year-round, flat. Almost no rain, sand dunes, occasional water holes. Low rainfall, gravel, clay, sandy soil, hot to cold temperatures. Dry, rocky creek beds, large glacial rocks, severe erosion. तो इसका आंसर है ऑप्शन बी, ऑलमोस्ट नो रेन, सैंड ड्यून्स, occasional water holes. The main cause of water pollution is industrial waste, pesticides, fertilizers, crop residue. तो इसका आंसर है ऑप्शन ई, इंडस्ट्रियल वेस्ट. In which of the following population genetic drift operates? Island, smaller, larger, continental. तो इसका आंसर है ऑप्शन बी, स्मॉलर. When acid rain falls on buildings made of marble, what is the final product that flags off easily? Calcium carbonate, gypsum, dolomite, epsom. तो इसका आंसर है बी, gypsum. Which of the following niche is concerned with the trophic position of an organism? Trophic niche, habitat niche, spatial niche, multifactor niche. तो इसका आंसर है ऑप्शन ए, ट्रॉपिक निच. तो ये एसेशन रीजन है. एसेशन है inhabitants close to very busy airports are likely to experience health hazards. Sound level of jet airplanes usually exceeds 150 decibels. तो इसका आंसर है ऑप्शन ए, एसेशन इज करेक्ट एंड रीजन इज एक्सप्लेनेशन. Which of the following are correctly matched? तो इसमें करेक्टली मैच्ड ढूंढना है हमें. आर्सेनिक पॉइजनिंग, ब्लैकफुट डिजीज, secondary effluent treatment, biological process, pyrolysis, solid soil waste disposal, TVFX, water pollution indicator, biomagnification, degradable pollutants. तो इसका आंसर है D 1, 2, 3 and 4 मतलब आर्सेनिक पॉइजनिंग का ब्लैक फुट डिजीज है। सेकेंडरी एफ्लुएंट ट्रीटमेंट बायोलॉजिकल प्रोसेस है, पैरालिसिस, सॉलिड वेस्ट डिस्पोजल, टीवी फिक्स, वाटर पोल्यूशन इंडिकेटर। तो ये सारे ठीक है, खाली लास्ट वाला रॉन्ग है। Catalytic converter is involved in the control of air pollution, radioactive pollution, sewage and chemical from industry, nuclear pollution। तो इसका आंसर है ऑप्शन ए, एयर pollution। The automobile exhaust interact to produce a switch of the secondary pollutants, sulfur dioxide and nitrogen oxide, peroxide and pens, benzopyrene and SO2, हाइड्रोकार्बन्स एंड नाइट्रोजन। तो इसका आंसर है ऑप्शन बी, पेरोक्साइड्स एंड पेंस। One of the human diseases due to biomagnification of heavy metals is minamata, asthma, tuberculosis, elephantiasis। तो इसका आंसर है ए, मिनामाटा। Ozone saves the biosphere by absorbing the high energy radiation called infrared, ultraviolet rays, X-rays, gamma rays। तो इसका आंसर है बी, अल्ट्रावायलेट रेस। The potent carcinogen located in coal tar exhaust of automobiles and tobacco smoke is dioxin, benzoylpyrene, both above, none above। तो इसका आंसर है बी, बेंजोइपाइरिन। Which of the following are non-degradable pollutants? Mercuric salts, long chain phenolics, DDT, all of the above। तो इसका आंसर है डी, ऑल ऑफ द अबव, मतलब मर्क्यूरिक सॉल्ट्स, लॉन्ग चेन फेनोलिक्स और DDT। Mercury pollution causes black foot disease, इटाई disease, blue baby syndrome, मिनामाटा disease। तो इसका आंसर है डी, मिनामाटा disease। Which of the following pollutant increases the hardness of water? H2SO4, DDT, PB, Cu। तो इसका आंसर है ए, H2SO4। Which one of the following statements pertaining to pollutants is correct? DDT is a non-biodegradable pollutant. Excess fluoride in drinking water causes osteoporosis. Excess cadmium in drinking water causes black foot disease. Methyl mercury in water may cause इटाई disease। तो इसका आंसर है ऑप्शन ए, DDT is a non-biodegradable pollutant। Ecotone is best defined as the most extensive ecosystem unit which is convenient to designate the vegetation community developed at the last stage of biotic succession, transition area between two biomes, none of the above। तो इसका आंसर है ऑप्शन सी, ट्रांजिशन एरिया बिटवीन टू बायोम्स। Biosphere reserves differ from national parks and wildlife sanctuaries because in the former, human beings are not allowed to enter. People are an integral part of the system. Plants are paid greater attention than the animals. Living organisms are brought from all over the world and preserved for posterity। तो इसका आंसर है ऑप्शन ए, ह्यूमन बींग्स आर नॉट अलाउड टू एंटर। A taxon facing an extremely high risk of extinction in the immediate future is called critically endangered, vulnerable, extinct in wild. तो इसका आंसर है ऑप्शन ए क्रिटिकली एंडेंजर्ड. The soil pollutants that affect the food chain and food web by killing microorganisms and plants are nitrogen oxide, pathogens, chemical fertilizers, pesticides. तो इसका आंसर है ऑप्शन डी पेस्टिसाइड्स. Which of the following World Heritage Sites is or are also a tiger reserve? Sundarbans, Nanda Devi, Manas, Kaziranga. Select the correct answer using the codes given below. तो इसका आंसर है D 1, 3 and 4 only. Sundarban, Manas and Kaziranga. Man causes soil erosion through use of improper plowing methods, leaving roots of crop in the field after harvest, practicing thresh farming, use of heavy machines. तो इसका आंसर है B 1 and 4 only. Use of improper plowing methods or use of heavy machines. In India, the endangered wild dog dhole is protected under Schedule 2 of the Wildlife Protection Act 1972. Which of the following will be the first zoo in India to have a conservation breeding center for the wild dog dhole? Nandankanan Zoological Park, Assam State Zoo cum Botanical Garden, Allen Forest Zoo, Indira Gandhi Zoological Park. तो इसका आंसर है ऑप्शन डी इंदिरा गांधी जूलॉजिकल पार्क. Biofuels are fuels extracted from plants and crops, and these have various advantages. These include increasing agricultural diversity, reduced use of fertilizers, renewable source of energy. Select the correct answer using the codes given below. तो इसका आंसर है B3 only, renewable source of energy. The percentage of land covered by forest is 9 to 18%, 18 to 27%, 27 to 36%, more than 50%. तो इसका आंसर है ऑप्शन ए 9 to 18%. Acid rain is the precipitation that contains high levels of sulfuric acid and nitric acid. Here are the names of some buildings which has a link with acid rains: Pisa Tower, White House, Taj Mahal, Red Fort. तो इसका आंसर है ऑप्शन सी ताज महल. Consider the following statements about ecosystem stability. It increases with increase of number of links in the food web. It increases with the increase in length of food chain. Which of the statements given above is or are correct? तो इसका आंसर है A 1 only. It increases with increase of number of links in the food web. With to the IUCN classification, extinct species are those which have been completely eliminated from wild areas, completely eliminated from managed areas. Which of the statements given above is or are correct? तो इसका आंसर है ऑप्शन सी both 1 and 2, completely eliminated from wild areas and completely eliminated from managed areas. Differentiate between threatened and endangered species. A near threatened species means that population is likely to become threatened, and endangered is one where population is so low that it will extinct. A near threatened species has decreased only in the last 5 years, but endangered is perennial deficit. Threatened species are those who are in danger from human, whereas endangered species are those who are in threat from ecology itself. None of the above. तो इसका आंसर है A. A threatened species means that population is likely to become threatened, and endangered is one where population is so low that it will extinct. The Great Indian Bustard is a critically endangered species. Its population has been declining due to habitat loss, frequent poaching, construction of windmills. Select the correct answer using the codes given below. तो इसका आंसर है D 1, 2 and 3 habitat loss, frequent poaching and construction of windmills. Some regions are marked as biodiversity hotspots on account of their endemism and threat. Which of the following regions in India is or are a biodiversity hotspots? Western Ghats, Eastern Himalayas, Western Himalayas. Select the correct answer using the codes given below. तो इसका आंसर है ऑप्शन बी 1 and 3 only, Western Ghats and Eastern Himalayas. Biogeochemical cycling means cycling of water, energy in an ecosystem, nutrients in an ecosystem, gases between plants and atmosphere. तो इसका आंसर है डी gases between plants and atmosphere. The Earth Summit held in Rio de Janeiro, which resulted in the Convention on Biodiversity on 29 December 1993, its objective is sustainable use of biodiversity, conservation of biological diversity, proper fair utilization of genetic resources, all of the above. तो इसका आंसर है ऑप्शन डी ऑल ऑफ above. Sustainable use of biodiversity, conservation of biological diversity, proper fair utilization of genetic resources. In context of environment, the term dirty dozen refers to 12 most harmful greenhouse gases, 12 ozone depleting substances, 12 persistent organic pollutants, none of the above। तो इसका आंसर है C, 12 persistent organic pollutants। Consider the following statements. Green power is the electricity produced in an environment-friendly manner. Sources of green power include the sun, wind, and water, which are pollution-free and natural. India is the fourth largest consumer of energy in the world. Which of the statements given above is or are correct? तो इसका आंसर है ऑप्शन A, 2 and 3। Sources of green power includes the sun, wind and water, which are pollution free and natural. And 3, India is the fourth largest consumer of energy in the world. The term ecosystem was coined by Odom, Translate, Richer, both B and C। तो इसका आंसर है B, Translate। Increased level of carbon dioxide in the atmosphere would impact the plants in many ways. This can be decrease in photosynthetic productivity of plants, proliferation of weeds, increase in number of insects and other pests. Select the correct answer using the codes given below। तो इसका आंसर है C, 2 and 3 only। Proliferation of weeds and increase in number of insects and other pests। With reference to oil spills, consider the following statements. They make the water deficient in oxygen. They can cause algal blooms. Which of the statements given above is or are correct? तो इसका आंसर है A, 1 only। They make the water deficient in oxygen। Which of the following is or are part of the biosphere? Water, soil, plants। Select the correct answer using the codes given below। तो इसका आंसर है D, 1, 2 and 3। मतलब तीनों वाटर, सॉइल एंड प्लांट्स बायोस्फीयर के पार्ट्स हैं। ब्लू बेबी सिंड्रोम इज कॉज्ड बाय कैडमियम पॉल्यूशन, मर्क्यूरी पॉइजनिंग, क्रोनिक एक्सपोजर टू आर्सेनिक, एक्सेस नाइट्रेट इन ड्रिंकिंग वाटर। तो इसका आंसर है ऑप्शन डी, एक्सेस नाइट्रेट इन ड्रिंकिंग वाटर। Very harmful particles for humans present in atmosphere are lead and arsenic, lead and mercury, mercury and cadmium, zinc and iron। तो इसका आंसर है बी, lead and mercury। तो इसी के साथ हमारा आज का क्वेश्चंस कंप्लीट होता है। तो अगर आप चैनल पर न्यू हैं तो चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर दीजिए और नोटिफिकेशन आइकन पर क्लिक कर दीजिए ताकि आप डेली लाइव क्लास ज्वाइन कर सकें। साथ ही अगर आपको वीडियो अच्छा लगे तो लाइक कर दीजिए और अपने दोस्तों के साथ शेयर कर दीजिए ताकि उनको भी हेल्प हो। तो हमारा आज का सेशन यहीं तक था। मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट लाइव सेशन में। अभी के लिए इतना ही। थैंक यू, थैंक्स फॉर ज्वाइनिंग।